Friends, one more time, there are lots of swags which you can see on the screen. There are Google t-shirts, Google Cloud t-shirt, sticker packs, and there are, here you can see, bags of Google Cloud, and also an aluminum bottle which you can see here from Google Cloud. And this you got when you complete the ultimate milestone. And if you complete a single milestone, then there is a t-shirt and there is a sticker pack. And the t-shirt which you can see on the screen, you can see which I wear is same, because I got this t-shirt last time when I participate in this event. So how you can also participate in this event, what are the eligibility criteria, and how you can enroll for this program, all things which you wants to know is in this video. I'm just going to show you all the things. But before starting this video, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your all friends who wants to participate in this, because in this program there is no limitation for the enrollment. If you are from the College of India, and if your college is listed in Google Developer Student Club, then you all can participate in this. And if your college is not listed, then also there are some ways to participate in this and get free swags from Google Cloud. I'm just going to show you all the things in this video, how you can participate. And also please like this video and share with your friends, because if anybody wants this type of swags, then this video is very important for them, so that they can also got this type of opportunity, because there are also a very good learning opportunity. There are total 30 days of Google Cloud program is there, and in this Google Cloud program there are lots of labs which is totally free for those who got enrolled for this program. How you can enroll for this program, I'm just going to show you. This is the website where you can visit and you can see all the details about this program. But here for the time being, there is no prices displayed on this website. But if you contact through your Google Developer Student Club of your college, then they can show you which type of goodies are there for the tracks and other things. So here you can see this is a program of 30 days of Google Cloud, and you all can enroll for this. And this is going to be facilitated by campus facilitators, which you can contact through your Google Developer Student Club of your college. So here I'm just going to show you. This is also same as the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. But if you got enrolled for that, and you got swags, and you completed any type of badges there, so you can't participate with that email ID in this program. So if you want to participate in this program, then you just change your email ID, make a new QClub account from that. And how you can make your QClub account, there is a link in the description which you can go through that, and you can see how you can make your profile on QClabs, so that you can easily participate in this. At the last time when I posted this video on this program, 30 days of Google Cloud program, it in a total 10 hours, the enrollment is full. Total 1000 plus students got enrolled for this program. But after before 2 days, 2 days before, they closed this enrollment for this program. So that's why I'm just saying that please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, because if I upload video on that, the enrollment for this program is not opened. Now it is going to open on 21st of September, and when I put the video for that, then you got the firstly notification and you got enrolled for this program as soon as possible. And you can see here this program is started, is will be going to start from September 27th, and this program is total 30 days. Then this is will be going to close on October 27th. And what you will going to do here, you can see lots of badges are there. You need to complete all the badges. Total 12 badges are there. I'm just going to show you all the things. You can see here the program syllabus, and this is the program syllabus. First is a cloud engineering track, where you are going to learn about clouds and different type of Google Cloud tools and applications. And after that, the second track is track 2, that is on the data science and machine learning. And this is a most important track. And when you complete both the track, then there are ultimate swags and different type of things which I showed before. So I'm just going to show you once again. So when you complete this track 1, total 6 badges are there, then you got only the first one, that is this t-shirt and this sticker set which you can see here. But when you complete the track 1 and track 2 both, means total 12 skill badges are there, and when you complete both, then what you got, you will going to get this second, there is a t-shirt, there is a sticker pack, there is a bag of Google Cloud, and there is an aluminum bottle, which is very nice to see. So if you want to got both, then you need to complete the full track. So I'm just you all wants to know how you can enroll for this program, but enrollment for this program is not big started. If you want to enroll for this program, then you just wait for 21st of September. 21st September is the when the registration for this program will be open. And if you wants to know how all about this type of programs and this type of things, so please join my Telegram channel, link in the description. There I just I post those type of things which is necessary, and I can't make video for that, so I post that on the Telegram, so that the students got enrolled as soon as possible through that post. So please join this Telegram group as well. And also, if you wants to know how at the last time which type of things are there in this program, so this is the video which is already available on my channel, Career Edge. See, you can see here, at the last time there are three type of swags are there. One is the t-shirt which you can see. Next is one more t-shirt that is of white color, and this is also for Google Cloud AI and cloud machine learning track, for completing machine learning track. And next thing is a bag. This bag is same as the bag which many of you got for completing the Google Cloud Ready Facilitated program, and this bag is as same as that. And there is a sticker pack as well. So this is the thing which got which the students got enrolled for this program got. And you can see here, total 5731 views, and total more than 1000 views in first 10 hours, and all the students got enrolled. And after 10 hours the registration is closed, and not any more students got enrolled for this. So that's why I'm saying that please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share with your friends, so that they also got know about this. And anyone who is belongs to the any colleges of the India and wants to participate can get the free swags, and can complete this program as well. How you can get, I'm just going to show you on 21st of September, when the enrollment is going to begin for this program. So that's why please subscribe this channel, like this video, and share with your friends. So thanks for this watching this video, and please show support on different type of videos which is already available on my channel. My channel consists of different type of videos such as internship videos, free in tutorials, and as well as different type of things are there on my channel. So please show support by watching that videos and sharing all the videos with your friends and study group as well. So that's much in this video, friends. Meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.